Hi, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about building a fleet record. So you're in IRAYMN.com. You can be on it with your cell phone. And I'll show you in another one how you can do it with your cell phone because you just go back in to the login. I'm going to log back out again. But if you go in here to log in, you go into it on your cell phone, it's going to show you the same thing. You have to put in your email, your password. Once you put that in, you can hit login because you've already made the record. So now if you touch up on the top here, it's going to show your name on here. Here's my name, Ray Henry. The other thing is on a cell phone, you're going to see three little lines, and that's going to do a drop down with this right on your cell phone. So just so you know that. You go into fleet management, and again, you can build as many of these new records as you want, but I'm going to say to you, you're probably going to want one or two records. Well, why would you change a record? Well, you can put as many things in a record as you'd like. So you can actually go in and if you add a new record, you confirm a new record, you'll have the record. The record will be here, and then you can go into the record. You can put one piece in it, you can put 50 pieces in it. This is a one piece. As you can see, it was somebody I was showing them and the record, and then we put just little things in here. Go back up to your appraisal, it'll pull you out of the record. Again, if you went to another record, let's say this one here, and it has, this is another test one that I did. And again, you can add items to the record. You just hit add items. You can keep adding items to the record. You can actually autofill, or not autofill, you can do these ahead of time on your computer, go back in with your phone, and then take the photos. And again, with your phone, you never want to have it up like this. You always want it sideways, and you want it real close to on both sides of where you're going to take the picture. So you want to think about that so you're getting good pictures that you're going to be putting in your files. So with that being said, that's how you basically fill and build records. They're going to be reports. You can print the reports. You can use them for your repairs. You can use them for a banking or a let's say a bonding or insurance needs. You'll have it for, you can take and open it up. If you're sitting, if your guy was putting them in and you gave him the login and he was loading equipment up, you could be sitting in the Bahamas and your feet in the sand, and you can see the equipment instantaneously after it's been loaded. So really a fun thing and a good thing, because the thing is that then you have more of a handle on your equipment and also what is being handled as far as what's putting into them. So if it was somebody who's doing repairs on it, they could put that in there in your record. If they were taking and somebody'd like to see the piece because they need it for a part, or if they needed it for, like we said, insurance purposes or whatever, it's all there for you. Again, it's free and it's easy. Again, Ray Henry here from IRAY Companies, and we just showed you how to build a record. Thank you.